Alright, so we're checking out the Astronaut here. It's kind of a nightlight galaxy thing. Pretty cool. We're in Ryder's room. And this is what it does. The Nebula there changes colors, or you can change it to be a solid color. The stars, which are the green lasers, turn on and off, or you can turn them off completely. They do not change colors, they're a green color. It's still daytime outside, but it's even brighter at night. Very cool. Ryder's messing with the remote control right now. It comes with a remote. Very nice, very cool. Ooh, look at that one. That's red, green, blue, and multicolor. I think there's one that changes colors. It's pretty cool. And the quality of it looks a lot better in person than it does on the camera here because it's an iPhone. Very nice, very cool. And the bedroom's probably 12 feet. In fact, I've even got one of these in my room, just for fun.
You never really turns it on?
But it lights up the room, so it's a good night light. It does have a timer on it that it's supposed to turn off at night. Either, I think it's 45 minutes and an hour. I'm not sure, but pretty cool. It's not a bad Amazon find.
Oh, that's cool, because look behind it. When I press the button, it makes like a timer on the back.
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
And then here's the hour. Yeah, that's a clock. Because it only turns on when I turn it off and turn it back on. See, it's not there anymore without me pressing the timer button.
Very cool. All right, well, it's actually got real lasers, so it's not something for kids to play with.
Yeah, it's not a toy. It blinds you if you look right into it.
Yeah, it can blind you. But anyway, very cool. I like it. We actually bought 2 of them, so it's definitely an Amazon find.
Oh yeah, here's the one that changes color.
It's definitely an Amazon find worth mentioning, so I will put the link in the description below. Check it out, it's pretty cool. It's definitely a fun buy. I like it. Made for kids or adults.